You flex the bed a little bit, Doc?
Hi there.
Yes.
How's it going? This patient did a breast reduction with a tummy tuck. Hope everyone's having a happy Thursday.
And little Trendelenburg ducky. Thank you, sir. You're the greatest. You got 2 blades up there, Angelica?
Hi there. Welcome. We are working on the tummy tuck and the breast reduction right now.
Freddie's coming, tell him we're live.
Okay.
Kind of curve as much as it can there.
Hi there.
Oh, okay.
Happy Thursday. I'm with Dr. Jeneby today. We are working on the breast reduction and tummy tuck.
Good? You want her to put it on mute?
Yeah.
Mute everything? Abigail?
Yes, 1 second. Hi there. We are working on the breast lift, breast reduction, and then tummy tuck. It's a pretty big patient, so we are just working on that. This patient did not do implants, just a reduction. She started with a pretty big size, so Hi there. So I'm with Dr. Jeneby here today. We are doing a breast reduction, lipo, of course, tummy tuck. He is a board certified plastic surgeon here in San Antonio, Texas. We operate out of a surgery center. I am just the marketing social media person, so I just help answer questions. Been working with Dr. J for several years now.
Did the TXADD? Yeah, it's exactly why it's like.
We just get on lives here and there just for a little bit, of course with the patient's consent. Yeah, definitely consent from the patient depending on what platform we're going to be on. And so that's why too we're not on lives all the time too, because some patients don't consent as well. So just to connect with future possible patients and reconnect with past patients. We do everything from tummy tucks, breast augmentations, BBLs, facelift, necklace, rhinoplasties, everything. So if y'all have any questions, definitely drop them down below and we'll answer those for you. Hope y'all are having a fantastic Thursday. Even though we are in San Antonio, Texas, we do have a lot of out-of-town patients. We are lucky enough to be able to accommodate y'all on that. We also do virtual consultations too for those of you out of town, but we have a lot of people in San Antonio that do the virtual too. It's less expensive as well than coming in person. Good afternoon. We are working on the tummy tuck and breast reduction right now.
Can we start talking?
This
10:46.
an hour. Good. Hi there. Happy Thursday. I'm with Dr. Jeneby right now. If y'all have any questions, drop them down below. If y'all are interested in consultation, getting a price quote for specific procedures, talking to our financing team for payment plans, financing options, things like that, definitely fill out our form that we have. We have it at the top of our page. And then it's also at the top of the chat as well. I'm going to pin it right now. You can go fill that form out, or like I said, fill the form out. There's a get a quote button at the top of our TikTok page and a link at the top of our Instagram page. But yeah, definitely fill that out. That goes straight to us. Super quick and easy way to. But yeah, super quick and easy way to reach us. And then, we use Mentor implants. We use like the silicone cohesive gel implants. We don't really use saline anymore. I mean, we work with our Mentor rep, so any size that you want, we can get. But size just depends on like the agreement between you and your surgeon. We do have a small team of surgeons here. They're all board certified plastic surgeons.
That's
what you said?
But you didn't understand the joke. It was like a joke. I don't understand the joke. Before the call, I'm on the glass. Well. She was down there, like, she was somehow she was down there. And then we were both sewing, so all she was doing was cutting. You did, I'm sorry, you did vaser everywhere here? Yes. You got all the vaser for all the body doc? Flanks and upper back and... Correct. Okay, thank you. Go ahead, we're listening.
Hi Danielle, thank you for commenting and stuff. We appreciate you.
Lay down there. And then later when we were both sewing, she was down there and I'm like, okay, now you can come up here because it's just comfortable. Not very intuitive. Yeah.
Hi Sam, nice to see you again. Love the flowers. There's this sunflower field or like thing that you can go to near San Antonio. I think it's up towards New Braunfels, I think. But I really want to go to it. They have like photo ops and stuff and they're like super tall. They're like way over your head. Hi Debs, just wanting lipo, but during consult doctor recommended tummy tuck if needed. So it just depends on like what type of loose skin you have for tummy tuck wise. Like they don't want you to have to just get lipo and then not be happy with the full results after and then come back and then get a tummy tuck anyways. But yeah, definitely like you know, something to think about. It's just how much actual like loose skin you have, like if any hangs or anything like that, or if it's just too loose. I mean, from whether that means like from having kids, from weight gain, weight loss, all of that stuff. Hi there, let me check it out. I didn't see your comment. I'm looking and it's not popping up. I just see you didn't respond to my comment. But I don't see your original comment. But yeah, Debs, definitely just something to think about. Two, if y'all are wanting pricing or anything like that, if y'all want to consult virtual, we offer those as well. If y'all want pricing or just to talk to our financing people, fill out that form that I've pinned up there. Or it's the get a quote button at the top of our page too. And make sure y'all are putting social media in y'all's forms too, because that'll get you 30% off your surgery. So it's a really good deal. We're doing that today and tomorrow for our social media peeps. So try to take advantage of that. You'll get that discount as long as you put down a deposit. Virtual consultations. So Joshua, I'm not seeing your J Lovato, I'm not seeing your comment. I just see that one. Okay, so virtual consultations free. So our virtual consultations are $50. I mean, it's always refundable and always can go towards your surgery. It's just basically paying for the surgeon's time. Hi Tori, thanks for sending the heart. So do we do liposuctions for arms? Yes, we do liposuction for, you can get it like under the arms, you can get it like on your bra rolls, you can get it chin, like inner thighs, like love handles, the back bra rolls as well. There's multiple areas.
Dock right flank.
We are doing a breast reduction tummy tuck, and it's pretty big, so
300. Upper abdomen is 100.
I love Billy Idol. Same. Okay, so yes, they get filtered out sometimes, just depending on certain words. But you can definitely fill out that form too if y'all do have any questions, like I was saying. So, because that's not filtered, so it's a lot easier. But yeah, I pinned it at the top of our chat. So, does it have insurance? Yeah, so since we don't accept insurance, we have a bunch of different options for you guys. You can do payment plans if you want to, like do a deposit, put down a deposit and then pay, because you can schedule out your surgery. So let's say you pay like, you put like half down and then you finance the rest, or you put down like half now and then do payments out to your pre-op date. As long as you're paid in full by your pre-op date, which is usually about 2 weeks before your surgery. As long as you're paid in full by that time, then you're good to go. But you can make payments up to that date, or you can try to be approved for financing. We work with so many lenders. We work with Care Credit, Alpheon, all sorts of lenders. So if you have money on there too, you can put it towards the surgery, or if you get approved for your full amount of your surgery, whatever you're wanting, we can use that as well. So that's another option. I mean, you can combine these in a lot of different ways. You can do financing and then pay the rest of it, or like put a down payment, get approved, and then if you still have some, make a few payments till your pre-op date. So we do have BMI. We were literally just making a video about this with Dr. J earlier about BMI requirements. So we want y'all to be as healthy as possible before y'all have surgery with us. So that means, you know, like mentally, physically, everything. And of course, it's going to be better if you have lost weight before you come and have surgery. I mean, we also offer weight loss programs, the weight loss shots, the GLPs, all of that stuff here too. So we do offer that. So if that's something you're interested in too, we provide that for our patients. But we do have BMI requirements of 38 and under. We were just talking about this, me and Dr. J. So yeah, we try to keep it under that. But like I said, we want you as healthy as possible. We send you for your lab work. And as I mentioned, if you can lose as much weight as you can before surgery, the better you will look. Yeah, of course. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to fill out that form I was talking about. Or even if you want a price quote, anything like that, or just to see if you get pre-approved for any financing or check out our payment plans. Definitely fill out that form. It's pinned at the top of our chat, but it's also the get a quote form. So you can click that button at the top of our TikTok page, and on our Instagram, it's the link in our bio. And definitely follow our other pages as well. We post different stuff on our different platforms. So we are Dr. Jeneby on Instagram. And then if you're on Instagram, we are Dr. Boom Boom Pow on TikTok. We are currently doing a breast reduction. Of course, we have lipo in there and a tummy tuck too. But it's pretty big patient, so we are working it right now. I am with Dr. Jeneby today. Dr. Phillips is assisting, of course. We have a small group of surgeons here. They're all great. All board certified plastic surgeons. So tummy tuck lipo 360. So for quoting and pricing and anything like that, also because we have a social media special running right now, it's 30% off surgeries for today and tomorrow. If I see y'all come through the lives or message or DM on our social media pages, y'all get 30% off surgeries. So definitely submit that form, and it goes straight to me, straight to my team, and then we give it to the financing team, scheduling team, whoever needs, whatever department it needs to go to. It's super quick and easy way to reach us. But yeah, they can give you an exact quote, like depending on what areas of lipo you're gonna do, if you're gonna add any lipo, things like that. And they're really good. They will definitely message you or call you, whichever you prefer today. So, but yeah, just mention if you do fill out the form and you want that 30% off for our social surgeries for our social media peeps, make sure you also mention social media. That's our little promo code. So yeah, follow our other platforms, because we put out a bunch of informational and educational stuff, but also funny stuff. You get to meet people around our office. You get to learn more about the process here. We also take a ton of our patients are from out of town. One of our patients was from Ohio the other day. We're lucky enough to be able to accommodate y'all on that, so that's really awesome. And then we also do virtual consultations. So just coming in isn't I know most of the time is the best option, but not always possible for most people, work schedules, things like that. So definitely think about doing a virtual, literally 30 minutes. It's super easy for some of our surgeons to hop on a virtual real quick. They can at least, meet you, give you their suggestions, see what you're wanting, and then they can get some pricing with you with the financing team. So, like I said, just mention social media in that form. If y'all fill it out, it goes straight to my team, and I send it straight to the sales team or scheduling team. And just mention social media in there so y'all can get our social media special, which is today and tomorrow, for 30% off. Just for our social media peeps out there. But yes, we are working on the breast reduction. She started out pretty big, so we didn't do any implants. Just a breast reduction and tummy tuck, of course, some areas of lipo. It's a bigger patient, so it is taking a little bit longer than a normal tummy tuck breast reduction might take. Breast reductions also have a lot of different techniques too. Thanks for y'all's questions. Please follow if y'all can, and that really helps us reach our future potential patients, but also helps us reconnect with our past patients too if they aren't following us on social media. Yeah, we are located in San Antonio, Texas. As I was saying earlier, even though we are located in San Antonio, we have a ton of out-of-town, out-of-state patients all the time, every week. We are lucky enough to be able to accommodate y'all, and we try to work with y'all as best as we can price-wise. We have overnight suite stays that we work with, and overnight nurses here that work with us. So for you out-of-town patients, and then we also do virtuals, so that kind of helps get y'all's process started.
What?
Butler? Nope.
Let him finish off.
Poke my eye out.
I'll give that means think about it.
Yeah, follow us on our other social medias, Dr. Boom Boom Pound TikTok and Dr. Jeneby on Instagram. If you are interested in getting that process started, virtual consult.
The excision when we get here.
Yeah, I can do for
I'll just
YouTube. So that is from the tummy tuck. So as I was saying, guys, we were doing a breast reduction and a tummy tuck, and it's a pretty big patient. So that is from the tummy tuck, all that extra skin. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yes, Sam. Can you typically, hi Megan, achieve good results with mass lift? I'm not interested in augmentation implants. So this is something else that Dr. J has talked about in the past. We actually have made a couple videos on this too. I don't know where they are on his grid. I would have to look, but he has talked about this. It's pretty rare that he will do a lift without an implant. And it's not like he's going to do a huge implant with the lift, you know. He's going to do a small one with the lift. Also, you know, this is a great conversation between you and your surgeon, just to really figure out the exact results that you're wanting. And he'll know, based on what you're wanting, what you should do, those results that you're wanting. He will pick the best, like, combo option for you. But if you're totally just no implants. I mean, implants have come a long way. We use silicone cohesive gel implants by Mentor. So we don't use saline anymore, you know, no risk of deflation or anything. But yeah. I mean, you can achieve a certain result. So like if, also too, depending on yourself, like if you just do like a lift, okay? It's gonna come up, obviously, but you're still gonna have no, like you're gonna have nothing up here. Like even if you still get a lift and bring it up, you're still gonna have nothing up here. Like no volume. If you, do you know what I'm saying? So that's how it kind of feels about like lifts without implants. But yeah, definitely schedule a virtual with us. They're cheaper than in person. He can take a look, see what's up, see what you're wanting, get you, get you some suggestions together and then some price quotes together as well with the virtual. And for our social media peeps, we're doing 30% off surgeries today and tomorrow if you put a deposit down. So definitely fill out that form I was talking about at the top of our chat, or you can click the get a quote form at the top of our TikTok page, or if y'all are on Instagram over here, click the link in our bio, fill out that form, that goes straight to us. Just mention social media in that form so you get that discount, kind of like our promo code for that. But yeah, the virtuals are like $50 or $75 or something, so it's cheaper than being in person. And of course, you can always come in person after that if you would like to.
Did you measure this already? Yes, I did. What do you think? 22, Doc.
thanks guys for chit-chatting and stuff. Please follow our other social media platforms, whether on Instagram or TikTok right now. It's Dr. Boom Boom Pow or Dr. Jeneby on our Instagram. We post different content throughout the platforms. But yeah, and definitely follow. We would love to keep y'all updated and educate y'all more too. We are just working on this breast reduction and tummy tuck. It's a pretty big one, so.
Your voice song.
Yes, and loves it. He knows it. The whole thing.
It's very much Ferris Bueller's Day Off vibes.
Oh, this is Ferris Bueller?
It's very much those types of vibes.
This song was in Ferris Bueller?
I don't know if it was in Ferris Bueller, but same period, same vibes.
Me?
And I saw a boy there.
And then she's there.
Hi there, good afternoon. Yes, we are working on the breast reduction tummy tuck. Is a bigger patient, so we have been here a little over an hour. We'll be coming up on 2 hours here in a little.
Dr. Hernandez, can you get our trail back up, please? No, they.
And